In this video, we'll show you how to set up your wallet in just a few easy steps. First, let's download the Cash2Bitcoin Crypto Wallet from the App Store. You can search for Cash2Bitcoin Crypto Wallet to find it quickly. Once it's downloaded, open the app and tap Create a New Wallet to get started. You will have to create a 6-digit PIN. Choose a strong PIN that you'll remember, and then enter it again to confirm. Next, you'll be shown a 15-word mnemonic phrase. This is your recovery phrase. It is extremely important. Copy this phrase and store it somewhere safe. It is the only way to recover your wallet. To ensure you've saved your mnemonic phrase correctly, the app will ask you to enter 4 words. Type them in the right order to complete the verification. Congratulations, your wallet is now ready to receive crypto. Hit the green Receive button in the center to access your wallet information. You can change your crypto selection at the top of the screen. You have 3 options for receiving crypto. You can scan the QR code, tap to copy your wallet address, or share your wallet directly to start receiving crypto. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Download the Cash2Bitcoin Crypto Wallet today and take control of your crypto journey.